Alrighty guys, we went down and picked up a Hart 20V portable rinser. Looks pretty sweet. Anyway, comes with a nice little 20V battery, battery charger, your 12V connector for the car, goes into the cigarette lighter adapter, and then your hose. Awesome. That's what it is. So, to put your battery in, you're going to turn the knob to unlock the battery port. Slide it up in there. It's got little guides up at the top. It's going to help get it in there nice. And it does have an LED light that you can turn on. Turn off. So it will light up a little bit. Power button to turn it on and off. We're going to wait until we put the cord in or the hose on before we turn it on. And maybe I should have. So to connect her in, nice and easy. It's a quick connect hose. Just push her right in there, and she'll snap right into place. And you're going to do the exact same thing with your nozzle. There's a little O-ring right here that is what's going to create your seal. And then it's just going to go right in there. Snaps. Boom. She's ready. Then turn it on. A little bit of a sound, not horrible. Ooh. And she starts working. Alrighty. The nozzle does have 8 different streams. It has the full shower, center, cone, stream, and then flat, vertical, and mist. So you just rotate your head. There's a little arrow up here at the top that points to, whichever one you're going to go with. We're going to try cone. We're going to try to water some flowers. We'll turn that back on though. And get yourself all wet! Now all we got to do to water the other flowers is just pick it up and take it with us. Not hard at all. And there's a nice little resting place here to put your nozzle when you're done. And we're going to assume this is to hold up your hose. Might be wrong on that, but I think that's what I'm going to use it for. We'll put a link for this down below in the description if you want to check them out. Bye! Okay guys, and I did miss this earlier. The back of this nozzle, push it up, she sprays, pull her back, she shuts off. So if I'd have known that, I wouldn't have sprayed myself.